The page. The main building block of mobile-first technology traditional website editors are quite varied and may assemble the sites in different ways, but most require a theme to be used to provide the framework of the site, locking it into a specific set of features before the first page is designed. While mobile-first platforms do allow the use of templates or themes to add a specific homogeneous framework to the site, they are not strictly required like WordPress and other platforms require. While for many having a specific framework seems useful, Mobile First allows you to build the Mobile First site right from scratch. The main building block is the page. The page is used to control the navigation and the way the site is displayed on the screen, no matter the resolution. By moving back to the original HTML perception of a page, each section of the site is a truly independent piece, making it easy and efficient to load. The navigating is directly dependent on the way the pages are loaded. Main headers on the navigation bar represent the topmost page in a list of pages, any of which can be brought to the front to display as a navigation heading or indented below to create submenus automatically. The page is an independent unit. It acts as a whole and does not bleed across other structures in the site. When a page is loaded, no other parts are required to load in the background, increasing load speed and clarity. WordPress sites often share structures across a blurred set of pages, requiring the load to include a lot of other data that is not necessarily useful for a given heading. The indented structure and the ability to hide a page from view allow the webmaster developer to create complex navigational structures easily, with little or no effort on their part. The site is constructed from top to bottom using the page as the distinct controlling unit. If the page is all the way to the left, it is a main header on the navigation structure. Other subpages instantly become submenus in the nav bar as they are indented to the right. What is placed on the page defines the way the page is displayed on the browser. The mobile first personal platform is so powerful that the pages can be tweaked simultaneously to be optimized for both the mobile phone screen and the desktop laptop monitor simultaneously. Since the phone screen is the most important display, a real-time mock-up is part of the full-size editor view. The way the page is constructed is quite different, since the building blocks are available to be added from a single selection page. The page can be extremely complex, but all requirements installed on a single page or expanded over a wide number of pages, defined to display separate functions. Pages are not just a simple container that holds the code that the browsers read and display. There are a number of sections that help to define the power of the page. These are mostly off-page functions like a clear place to enter SEO definitions. Permissions for the user and visibility are included here. The page carries the functions it is designed to perform. It also has easy to understand settings that make it an extremely powerful building block. Other settings define the differences between the way the page is displayed on the phone as opposed to the desktop resolutions that by definition must be different for pleasurable viewing.